This is a pre-recorded message to be released on January the 3rd, 2025, which happens to be my 68th birthday. People are very fond of celebrating birthdays, especially when they're young. When you get older, you're getting closer and closer to your death day. This birth was, my birth this time in this world, in this body. Certainly nothing very remarkable. Sure, it didn't make it to any newspapers, just another baby born in another hospital in England, but by Srila Prabhupada's immense mercy, this birth has become successful by my being admitted in the shelter of his lotus feet. Successful in the sense that, I am admitted in the shelter of his lotus feet, and I'm trying to serve him. And on this day, I thank all of you who are kindly listening to this. This will be mostly my initiated disciples for assisting me in all my services to Srila Prabhupada in the past year, and we look forward to more service in the next year. That's what it's all about, service in Srila Prabhupada's mission. Of course, I don't even know if I'm saying this, if I'll still be in this body by the time it's released. We presume like that, but there's no guarantee. We're all tiny little playthings in the hands of the material energy. But those who take shelter in Krishna, they are sheltered by Krishna. But his will is inscrutable and inexorable. And if you don't know what those words mean, you can look them up. One big thing in my mind at the moment in terms of my service to Srila Prabhupada is that soon, Krishna willing, the mood and mission of Srila Prabhupada, a new book of mine, should be released. It'll be about 2,000 pages, the result of quite a few years of work, of not only myself, but of others also. And I'm very hopeful that this will be a solid contribution in Srila Prabhupada's ongoing mission. So all of you can kindly take note of that. Hopefully should be released, unlikely by Gaur Purnima, possible, hopefully at the latest by Ramanavami. And please make a note to get that book, read it, distribute it. And an important point we can glean from that book, which I should speak on this day as on other days, is that, of course, although I am your guru, you have many gurus, we're all part of Srila Prabhupada's mission. So many God brothers and God sisters, actually not so many, because the number is decreasing. At least in our physical presence, so many are passing away. I guess I'll be passing away soon too. Yep, looks pretty obvious, doesn't it? Birthday is, January the 3rd, and the Vyasa Puja main celebration is scheduled for Tirupati on January the 13th, and I look forward to seeing many of you there. Thank you again for all your loving kindness upon me. You're helping me in my service in Srila Prabhupada's mission. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpa tarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya vacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha.